Hello, this is our Microlab 3. This is Group 1. Nathan, Kennedy, Mikael, Nam, and Ian.
For our team roles, we have Kennedy and Ian will be working on the functional requirements, and then us three, Nam, Nathan, and Mikael, will be working on the SCRD diagrams. For the overview of the team meeting and our updates, we completed these three objectives. We completed the 3 activity diagrams, the 3 sequence diagrams, and we also adjusted the team roles and responsibilities. For our overview of current tasks during this section, we met with Keaton on Tuesday and we discussed how we can better our project and our grades. We also focused on the upcoming tasks by utilizing meeting on Wednesday at 4:30 to complete our Microlab 3. We also will hop on a Zoom after our meeting at the library to record our presentation. And we will plan out our next meeting for Thursday, October 22nd, which will also reside in the library.
If the user does not have an account, a new one is added with account main GUI. The details are added through account detail GUI. This allows access to the account. If the account exists and all requirements are met, the system allows access to the account.
The sequence diagram for the product analysis use case illustrates an interaction between the primary actor, the user, and the sentiment GUI. The sequence begins when the user initializes a request from the system that they wish to analyze. After the use case completes the analysis, the system sends back generated results and a positive, negative, or neutral response for the generated results.
The sequence diagram for the notify branch of keywords use case illustrates the interaction among the primary actor's user system GUI and the sentiment GUI involved in the process of notifying users when specific keywords are utilized. This diagram visualizes the communication steps between these actors. The key steps are as follow. User make post which produces keywords which is analyzed by the system GUI and synchronously sent to the sentiment GUI. The sentiment GUI send rating which ultimately notify the brand company.
For our first use case, authenticate user, we have the start node, and then the activity nodes included are the user enters their credentials, the system verifies the user credentials that the user entered, system grants access to the user and then continues to the stop node. For our second use case, request sentiment, we have the start node, and then the activity nodes included are the user selects the product they wish to analyze, then the user submits a sentiment analysis request, and then the sentiment generates the results of that product analysis, and then the activity diagram ends with the stop node. For our third use case, notify user keywords, we have the start node, and then the first activity node contains keywords being recognized, the next activity node including a notification of the keyword that is recognized sent to the company, and then ending with a stop node.